This video tutorial I will cover message source aware interface. Here I have defined two property files. First property file is related to English language. Second property file is related to French language. We will see how to read values from these property files. Being implementing message source aware interface can get access to message source object. Using message source object, we can achieve internationalization. Here I have defined a class message source aware impl, which implements message source aware interface and provide implementation of set message source method. Spring container read this Spring configuration file. It creates a message source object and pass the message source object to this method, and that message source object is set to this property. It has display messages specific to locale method, and in this method we are reading greeting key value from English property file and displaying that, and also reading greeting value from French property file and displaying that. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting message source aware impl object from Spring container, and calling display messages specific to locale method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see we got greeting value from English property file and greeting value from French property file.